Hi guys, sorry it took me a very long time to do a video. Just been trying to think of some ideas, but today I'm finally gonna do a new video. And sorry if I'm out of breath a little bit. I was opening the thing I'm gonna show you guys today. So if you liked it, big ol' thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. We are 20 subscribers away from getting 300 subscribers, which is a lot. And make sure you guys like this video, go and subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification button every time I post a new video. So today I'm going to show you guys this thing that I bought on Walmart.com. I ordered it last week and it just come today. It's supposed to come yesterday, but they are having some difficulties. But it finally came today and I wanted to get it open before that way you guys wouldn't like see me 45 minutes struggling to open this box. So I've already got it opened, but I didn't get it out. I wanted to show you guys it. So let's go. I'm gonna have to move you guys because there's nowhere good to sit my phone. So I'm just gonna sit you guys down here. Da 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 da. I bought a scooter. It's a little moped scooter looking thingy. So I'm gonna sit you guys down here, one on my bed. You guys can see it. I don't know if you'll ever be able to see me. It's kind of move you a bit, just a little, okay? Look at that. Ain't that cool, guys? So, let's get it open here. This piece of cardboard. Okay, now I'm going to use both my hands to get this out. So I'm going to put you guys back down here. It said some assembly required, so I'm assuming that that'll be fun. Here's a wheel. It did say ages 13 and up, and last month was my birthday, and 16 now. Go me. So, happy birthday to me from me. So, let's get this out here. Don't know how I'm going to do that exactly. It's quite heavy. Okay, so you know what I just thought? I might have to turn the box over to get this out. I'm gonna push it. And I'm gonna turn it here. Let me get it off of the wheel. There we go. Okay, now, can you guys still see me? This thing goes up to 15 miles an hour, and it can run up to 45 minutes. And this is max water weight, 107 pounds, but I'm not that. I'm weigh like 9. So let's kind of dump it out here. So I got it out. Now let's take off all this. Here's another thing of cardboard. Oh, great. Only one wheel is already attached. That's great. Let's set it up here. Let's put the... Don't know how these work. Uh-oh. Okay, so this is not good. This is not going to be able to stand up on its own. I'm just going to have to keep it laid down because it's not going to stay up on its own. Okay. So, important notice, let the battery charge for at least 12 hours. Really? Can you guys even see me anymore? Let's kind of move it down here. You guys can see it is outside of the box. Let's see if I can. I will put the link in the description if you guys want to buy this for yourself. It comes in a way of different colors. So, sorry guys. We're gonna get this out. This is the steering wheel that I'm unveiling right now. These are like the brakes, I'm guessing. And I need to put it on like this. Okay, so now I'm going to put the thing on here, just like this. Actually, don't know how to do that. Okay, was there any instructions on how to put this together, y'all? Don't see any. Well, crap. Okay, so I'm going to put this together, and then I will update you guys when I get it put all together. Okay, so after about an hour or two trying to put this stupid thing together, finally got it put together. It might take y'all along for a ride one day, but I think it's pretty awesome. But also, finally found the darn instructions. They were hidden in the darn seat because the seat has a secret compartment. Didn't know that. So, finally got it put together. This is what it looks like. Pretty neat. So now, I can drive and vlog. This is very hard to assemble. I'm just gonna warn you. Warn you all. This is very hard to assemble. Especially this. Like, I legitimately started crying over it. You might be able to tell. But I legitimately started crying because of it. Because I couldn't figure out how to put the darn freaking thing on here. But I finally got it on. And so I gotta let it charge for 12 hours now. I'm gonna put it on charge before I go to bed. And then all day when I go to school. And then when I come home, it'll be fully charged so we can ride it. So, Good invention, 8 out of 10. I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because of how hard it was to freaking assemble. So, I will see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe and to my channel and click the bell notification button to get notified of when I post new videos, and make sure to like this video, and I will post a new video as soon as I can. I will see you guys later. Bye guys.